to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Don't cost you a dime. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out DonkeyStomper.com, DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to you too, Patreon channel members. Alright guys, we got an X-Force 2x4 that I rebuilt a while back. It is all Toshiba. You had one blown Toshiba in it. Just so happened I had a used one, so I put it in there and fixed you up. On these 2x4s, you're going to have to be really careful. Watch your carrier. Make sure no more than 100 out. Watch your SWR, drive, so forth. Alright guys, let's get straight through SWR. Hello world, wide, zero. Turn him on, input SWR on the right. Your PP on the left. Hello world, wide. It's a hot one. 13 something, some change. I don't even have no dead key in there. Hardly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Worldwide. We can set the dead key. Generally, what I look for is about a 100-watt carrier out of a 4-pill, and you can turn your variable down. And if you need to, it does have. I did upgrade all your variables and all your boxes, so you can turn your variable all the way down if you need to. Hello world, wide. It raised your average up big time. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at our bird, 2,500-watt PUP. Hello world, wide. About 1250 on the bird. Go over here and look at our outdoor dummy load. On our outdoor dummy load on the LP100. Hello world, wide, Clyde. Get on down. 1, 2, 3. Getting on down. Break. Get on down. That's a good one right there. 1, 2, 1, 2. Look at that SWR. Breaker. That's sweet. So, there you go, bud. This 1x4 is up and ready to go. Base box, 110 volts, plug in the wall. Preamp works, sideband, everything. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check out DonkeyStomper.com, DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care of your friends in 0 and 8 Beavis. Bye-bye.